The spice galangal comes from southern Asia. It has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for ages and is related to ginger and turmeric. The root of various plants in the Zingiberaceae family is referred to as galangal. The most often used galangal is lesser galangal or alpinia officinarum. Galangal, like ginger and turmeric, can be eaten raw or cooked and is used in a variety of Chinese, Indonesian, Malaysian, and Thai dishes. This spice is also used to treat a variety of illnesses since it is said to aid in the treatment of infections, inflammation, male fertility, and even cancer. The pros and cons of galangal root are discussed in this video. Most people are familiar with the great health benefits and medicinal capabilities of roots and spices like ginger and turmeric. But galangal is gaining popularity as more study demonstrates its incredible health-promoting properties. In fact, it's now referred to as a superroot because of its tremendous anti-cancer and health advantages. You may use it in teas, smoothies, and other recipes. And 1 teaspoon is usually more than enough if you use it frequently. Let's talk about galangal's amazing health benefits now. First, galangal root is a potent antioxidant. It contains a variety of antioxidants, including polyphenols, plant chemicals, and flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants have been shown in studies to help protect us from free radical damage, prevent and fight disease, and even lessen the chance of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Galangal root, like ginger and turmeric, has been demonstrated in numerous studies to help prevent and protect the body from certain types of cancer. The active component galangan found in galangal root has been demonstrated in studies to destroy cancer cells and prevent cancer from spreading. As a result, galangal root might improve our general health. It's also known for its remarkable ability to reduce inflammation and even pain. Galangal root has been found in studies to lower disease-causing inflammation. It includes a potent phytochemical as well as several antioxidants with potent anti-inflammatory activities. Galangal root can relieve minor pain, which is a typical indication of inflammation like osteoarthritis. Finally, galangal root has antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties, and may be able to defend against some fungi and yeasts according to study. It can also aid in the reduction of undesirable bacteria in the body that can impair our immune system while simultaneously promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. If you like our video on Galangal and want more informative videos on any herb, fruit, plant, or vegetable, then kindly visit our channel for more videos. If you enjoyed this video, then kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and have a wonderful time.